Hello, in this video, we'll learn how to enable the video toolbox on Redmi Note 10 5G. First, open Settings. Scroll down. Go to Additional Settings. Scroll down again. Tap on Floating Windows. Then go to Sidebar. Here you'll find the Video Toolbox option. Enable it if it's not already enabled. Scroll down. Next, tap on Manage Video Apps. Enable the apps where you want this feature to appear. From now on, the Video Toolbox will be available in the apps you selected. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell to stay updated with all the new content.